Ever feel like your 20s are one big group project, except no one told you what the project is, and you're the only one bringing snacks and trying to build wealth? Ryan Scribner, personal finance expert and YouTuber who became a millionaire by 26, shares 3 money rules every 20-something should know. Rule 1, invest your time. Scribner says, as a young person, you probably have a lot of time on your hands, but maybe not a lot of money. You can invest your time or your money, sometimes both. Translation: hit the library, binge finance podcasts, or deep dive YouTube, not just Netflix. Building financial knowledge now pays off later when your income grows. Rule 2, don't confuse risk with reward. Scribner admits he once lost over $100,000 chasing risky stock trades. He advises us that had he simply invested that money into low-risk assets like an S&P 500 index fund, he'd be sitting on hundreds of thousands today. In other words, skip the thrill-seeking. Use your long timeline to help grow money slowly and steadily. Rule 3, start imperfectly. You don't need to be a high earner or money genius to begin. Scribner says, investing is also about putting time and energy into learning new things. Even opening a brokerage account and buying a few shares counts. Progress beats waiting for perfect. So yeah, your 20s might feel like chaos with rent, ramen, and relationship drama. But with Ryan Scribner's rules, you can start building wealth now and let future you chill a little sooner. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert